Mom is the greatest.
What did you do?
Hey guys, welcome to Mommy Q's YouTube channel. Today we are going to decorate a gingerbread house.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to decorate a gingerbread house. We got this gingerbread house kit from who?
Nana Sharon.
Shout out to Nana Sharon. Thank you for this gingerbread house kit, and we are so excited. Is it your first time, Haley?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it your first time, Halsey?
Yeah.
We're going to start to unbox. Hold on.
Wow. I love the design.
Wow. Would you like to pull it out?
Yeah. This
Wow.
is so delicious.
So we're going to follow the instructions here. This is the platform of the house, the base. Help me, girls. Open. Open. Help Halsey. Open.
I can do my bit.
No, don't do that. Alright. There you go.
Whoa.
Ta-da!
Get everything out.
These are
Candies.
we're going to use to decorate the house. And this is the gingerbread. So we'll assemble this first.
And we have the frosting.
Mommy Two will just get a pair of scissors.
Mommy Two will be back. Wow!
So the first thing that we have to do is to get our piping bag ready. Step 1, knead icing bag to ensure the icing inside is soft and smooth. You have to knead it like that. Make sure you empty one corner of the icing bag and snip a small section to make a piping bag. We'll use this corner of the piping bag.
This?
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll snip a small section. Shall we make this a tradition every year, Haley?
Yeah.
We need to unwrap this. Smell it?
By
By the way, we did wash our hands, right?
yeah, we did. We always do it.
Yes.
Mommy Two, you forgot my one. Mommy Two is the greatest.
There you go. So you want to smell it? Oh wow. What about you? You want to smell it?
Okay, if you forget it.
Yes.
The red and white candies are actually peppermint.
So Mommy Two will help you.
I see the frosting.
Squeeze it. Wow.
Moments later.
Like glue these together and stick them. Nice. Mom's alright.
What are you doing, Halsey?
What a better.
Good job, Haley.
One more to go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. I did the first
Yes.
one. Yes. Wow. It's gingerbread.
Wait, go.
Please
Bite
don't.
pa lang
Please
ka.
don't. No.
Enough.
No. You're a mosquito. You're like a mosquito. No. Please don't do that. You're like a mosquito eating blood bread. Hey, stop it, I have one more to go.
What do you want for Christmas?
A puppy. That's a live puppy. I know.
Shall we put them together?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can put them together.
Oh, sorry. Oh no. But it's still okay. Still fine. We need to put icing on the side.
No.
Oh, put.
The hardest day on earth.
Oh no! Oh, Halsey, no!
It's okay.
about it.
Thank you.
Ta-da! Oh no! More icing so that it will stick together.
Oh my. Wow! Thank you, Nana Sharon. This is the best day of the year. You're the best Nana ever.
Right,
Make
you
sure
do
be
the other
careful.
side.
Oh, so that's how you do it?
No!
No! Mommy! Look! Down!
What are you doing? Okay, nice. Oh, no! No!
I'll see. Look. Ah!
No fighting, please.
No.
So next, we will decorate it with candies.
Don't use everything, please. It's just stock. Anyway.
Oh no, Halsey! Ay, naku! Okay, let's do it again, Hailey. Help mommy too.
Don't you worry. It's okay.
Halsey, can you stop? Can you stop for a minute?
Oh, don't.
Walang gaano.
Bye.
No! Hey, be nice. Kasi naman it's so heavy. That's why it fell. We will remove the candies first.
You hold it too, and I'll keep an eye.
Alright, shall we wash our hands first?
Okay. Oh no. Eating.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. Alright.
Oh, she
We'll
eats
put-
one.
It disappeared. Be nice to each other, Halsey. We don't do that.
Oh no.
Good day. Baby Lemon, your cousins. Are you having fun, Halsey?
Yeah.
Moments later.
This is our finished product. Our first ever attempt to decorate a gingerbread house. It's really fun. Did you girls? Yes? Girls, don't eat it. It's nighttime already and we have to brush
I'm
our...
going to eat those candies tomorrow.
We can eat it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and see you in my next vlog. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Yeah! Bye guys. Good night. I hope you're gonna enjoy. Oh, I didn't eat one strawberry punch. Let's go. Bye.